Welcome to this small lecture in where we will learn about a very useful GitLab tool, the CI Lint tool. Okay, so what is Lint? As already seen in previous lectures, Lint or linter in software language is a static code analysis tool used for checking the code for any programmatic and stylistic errors. Linting in any software language is important, as with linting we test the validity of our code at very early stage so as to accelerate the development process and reduce the overall cost. Linting for our Python code we have already done with Flake tool, and now I am talking about performing lint testing on the GitLab CI/CD configuration, that is the YAML code. For validating the GitLab CI.yml syntax, GitLab has provided us with a CI Lint tool, and in this lecture we are going to work with it. Okay, now to access it, first go to CI/CD pipelines. And on the top right, we have this CI Lint option. Here it is. As you can see, the tool is nothing, just an editor where you will simply paste your YAML code and validate that code. I'll paste a demo code for it. You can pause the video and take a glance at this demo code. Now validate. Great. It says the syntax is correct. Guys, if I scroll down, along with the syntax validation results, this tool has also printed us the above pipeline into a tabular form and has shown us the jobs with their execution order. Whatever stages are defined in the YAML code and in what order are nicely represented here. Like in our pipeline, first the build job will run, then the test job will run, and last the deploy job. On the right side of this table, in front of each job, what that job is doing and when that job will run is shown. So the build job will echo out this message, and by default when keyword is set to on success. On success means execute job only when all the jobs in earlier stages succeed. And similarly, the same data is shown for other jobs as well. Okay, so this time our code was correct. Now if I add some mistake in this code, let's see what happens. Now let's say if I forgot to add this build stage in stages section. Now validate. We know it is a wrong configuration and hence it is showing us an error. It says chosen stage does not exist. Available stages are pre, test, deploy and post. Now let's add it again. Validate. It's good. So guys, this way you can use GitLab CI Lint tool to validate your YAML syntax errors. This was a very short lecture, as my purpose of this lecture was just to introduce with CI Lint tool. I would recommend you people to use this tool before running any of your pipelines, as this tool will help you rectify the code without even running it, which will definitely save your cost and time. Thank you.